last step would be to subtract 6 from both sides. So x is going to equal the log of base 2 of 17 over 3 minus 6. Yep, so you'd first do the log of base 2 of 17 over 3, right? And then subtract 6 from it. Whenever there's two, so, right. Everything that's in the exponent comes to the front. Yes? No. 17 over 3 is the number. So, if you actually wanted to expand that out, you would do the log of 2 minus the log of 3. Because it's a division problem, right? So, to figure the answer out, you literally would just, in your calculator, do log of base 2, open a parenthesis, and then do 17 thirds inside the parentheses, hit enter, and then subtract 6. Or make sure you get outside of the parentheses and subtract 6. Mm-hmm. Yep. Log of 10 times 34, you said? So because you added the 12, so you do the log. So when you do log 10 of 34. So yes, you have a log with a sub 10 and then a 34. Is that what you mean? You didn't do log 10 times 34, did you? All right. No, it's so. Oh, you did the log. So you see here you did the log of base 10 of this. And then on this side you should do log base 10 of 34. So your 34 should be here. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Instead of, the 34 should be on this side.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay. And then that's fine. So because then you have the log, you did that part. Well, so you don't have to divide by the log of 10. So you just have, you did a change of base. That's fine. This actually is fine.
I know I switched those two.
Yeah, but that's fine. So then, but you finish this is correct, and then you would just subtract 2.
Yeah.
So that's fine.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay. All right, so let's turn it over. Let's do the problems on the back. All right, so what questions do you guys want to go over on the back? All right, so on the back, all of them are going to be exponentiation problems, right? So you said 18? 19. All right, so for number 19, let's see if I can get this. All right, so 19. So for number 19, we have the natural log of 3x minus the natural log of 2 equals 4. So before we can actually solve this, we need to condense it to one natural log. So since it's a subtraction, that means that its condensed form is a what? A division, yes. So this is going to be the natural log of 3x over 2, right? And that's going to equal 4. So now that we have it condensed to one natural log, we're going to exponentiate, right? So the inverse of natural log is e, right, because it's of base e. So we're going to say e raised to the natural log of 3x over 2 equals e to the 4th. So once again, we use the power rule to bring the 2x divided by 2 to the front. Right? And then we have times e to the natural log. So, which it has a base of e. So e to the natural log is just 1. So then we're going to have 3x over 2 equals e to the 4th. Right? And then from there, we're just going to keep solving. So we're going to multiply both sides by 2 and divide by 3. So I'm just going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal. So I'm going to say let's multiply this side by 2/3. Let's multiply this side by 2/3. So we get x equals e to the 4th times 2/3, which is just x equals e, or 2e to the 4th over 3, right? So you can leave it in that form or put it in your calculator and get a decimal value. I got 36.398 when I put it in the calculator. 36.398. 20? All right. Make sure I have lots of room for 20. All right, so for number 20, so we're going to have 3, so I guess I should label it 20. So number 20, we're going to have 3 log 5, so 3 log of base 5 of x minus the log of base 5 of 5x equals, I don't have enough room, 3 log, I'm going to squeeze it in here, 5 of 25. Can I squeeze it? I got it. All right. So we're going to have to condense this. So the first thing we're going to do is take this 3 and we're going to move it back up into the exponent where it belongs, right? So that's going to give us the log of base 5 of x to the third minus the log of base 5 of 5x. And then let's say we have 3. And then what is the log of base 5 of 25? 5 raised to what power gives us 25? 2. So then the log of 5 of 25 is 2. So this is minus 2. So I'm going to keep condensing now. So since I have a negative, I'm going to divide, right? So I'll make it 1 log. So I have the log of base 5 of x to the third over 5x. And that equals 1. Because the log of base 5 of 25 is 2. So now